Hi dear friends, this is Swadesh Mudok. You are watching video from Impact, the Spoken English Club. My today's topic is English phrase. Phrase is important in English because we use different phrases to make different clauses or sentences. So get ready to listen. At first I am giving you the definition of phrase. A phrase is a group of words without a finite verb. It has no subject, no predicate, and it is also incomplete in meaning. But don't forget that a phrase can also be a single word. Okay, it will be clear when I will give you the examples of different phrases. Okay, now I would like to tell you the classification of phrase. We can divide phrases into 5 categories. They are noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. In a noun phrase, we must have a noun, and beside a noun there may be a determiner or an adjective, but determiner and adjective both can be there. For example, he is a good boy. A good boy is a noun phrase. Here we have a determiner a and an adjective good, and finally the noun boy. Okay. Then verb phrase. In a verb phrase, an ordinary verb is must. In front of the ordinary, there may be auxiliaries. For example, come, go, read, write. These are only ordinary verbs, and are coming, are going, have been reading, have gone, have eaten, all these are verb phrases. Okay. Now adjective phrase. In an adjective phrase, an adjective is must. In front of this adjective there may be an adverb of degree. For example, very good, very fine, very nice, very beautiful. In most cases we use very. Okay, but adverb of degree is not must. Okay, only good, bad, tall, short, this can be an adjective phrases. Okay, now an adverb phrase. In an adverb phrase, we have an adverb, and in front of this adverb we may have an adverb of degree also. For example, certainly, quietly, almost certainly, or almost quietly. Okay. Now prepositional phrase. In a prepositional phrase, the construction we find is that a preposition plus a noun phrase. For example, the boys are playing football in the field. In the field is a prepositional phrase, in is a preposition, and the field is a noun phrase. So preposition plus noun phrase. Okay, these two makes a prepositional phrase. I think I am clear. Now I would like to tell you different elements in English. In English there are also 5 elements. They are subject, verb, object, complement, and adverbial. We use the different phrases in these 5 elements. In subject, we use only noun phrase. In object, we use only noun phrase. In verb, we use only verb phrase. In complement, we use noun phrase and adjective phrase. And finally, in adverbial, we use an adverb phrase, a prepositional phrase and a noun phrase. Okay, I am giving you some examples. At first, we eat rice. Here, we, the personal pronoun we, is a noun phrase. Eat, verb phrase. Rice, noun phrase. So, we, what is the element? At first, subject. We is subject here. Eat, verb phrase, has been used as verb element, and again rice, a noun, has been used as object. Okay. We are happy. We, subject, are verb, happy, complement. So happy is an adjective. An adjective phrase has been used here as complement. There can also be a noun phrase as complement. For example, I am a teacher, he is a student. Okay, he is a student. A student is a noun phrase and it has been used here as complement. Okay. Now, I am giving you some more examples. I am going to school. I am going to school. I, subject, am going, verb, to school, adverbial. To school is an example of prepositional phrase and it has been used here as adverbial. The boys are playing football in the field. The boys, subject, are playing, verb, football, object, and in the field is adverbial. The boys, noun phrase, has been used as subject. Are playing, verb phrase, has been used as verb element. Football is a noun, has been used as an object, and in the field is a prepositional phrase and it has been used here as adverbial. Okay, I think it is very transparent to you. If you have any doubt regarding this, please write to me. I will reply as soon as possible. Today, up to this. Thank you. Keep watching my videos. Thanks again.